Okay, right. Now look at the problem. See, it's a JEE Main 2021 problem from differentiation. See, f dash of a is equals to 2 is given, f of a is equals to 4 is given, and the question is about finding limit extending to a, x into f of a minus a into f of x by x minus a. We know, usually to find limits, directly we take x is equals to a. What happens if we take x is equals to a? Just replace x with a. The numerator will become like this, a into f of a minus a into f of a divided by a minus a. Just simply replace x with a here. Now the numerator is 0 as well denominator is also 0. Okay, 0 by 0. See, 0 by 0 is an indeterminate form, right? Since 0 by 0 is indeterminate form, to avoid those indeterminate forms, we use L'Hospital rule to answer the problem. Okay. Now, just try to use L'Hospital rule. This is equals to limit x tending to a. We need to differentiate with respect to x. Here x into f of a is given. What is its differentiation? Since f of a is a constant, the derivative of x into f of a is just f of a. Minus, since a is a constant, a into the derivative of f of x is f dash of x divided by x minus a. The derivative of x is simply 1 and the derivative of a is 0. So we have this limit extending to a, f of a minus a into f dash of x by 1 just by using L'Hospital rule. Is it right? Just differentiate numerator and denominator with respect to x. We have this numerator and 1 in the denominator. Now replace x with a, you have f of a minus a into f dash of a. Given f of a is 4, so 4 minus f dash of a is 2. So a into 2 is 2a, there ends. The answer is 4 minus 2a. Is it clear? Have a look. How many